Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If your Xbox app is downloading games or updates slowly on Windows 10 or 11, here's how to speed it up. First, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to wired Ethernet connection for more stable and faster speeds. Next, close unnecessary background apps. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus Escape and end task using bandwidth like browser or streaming services. Then ensure delivery optimization is configured correctly. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, and Delivery Optimization, and toggle on Allow downloads from other PCs. Adjust the bandwidth limit to unlimited for faster download. Also, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS reset and hit enter. A blank window will appear and the cache will be cleared automatically. Finally, if the issue persists, update your network drivers. Open Device Manager, expand network adapters. Right-click your adapter and select Update Driver. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Like and subscribe for more fixes and tips.